This is the HBAR 10-year overview reading for the years 2020 through 2029. It's currently December 26th, 2022, approximately 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. HBAR at the time of this reading is 0.04378, so just over 4 cents. Overall theme and behavior over the 10-year period, there's the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support on a scale of a multi-year chart. So that does imply that there's a bullish trend beforehand. And then it's crossed with a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher, again on the scale of a multi-year chart. Behavior around the highest high. We have a prominent move into the high on a multi-year scale. A prominent move higher that's followed by a full retracement back down to where that move higher started. So it's like a full triangle. When you find it on a chart, it stand out looking like a triangle. Behavior around the lowest low. Okay, so for the 10-year period, there's significant volatility around the low, and that price level offers an opportunity to position oneself in both directions. If there's a way to short HBAR, there would be a notable move lower and a notable move higher than the price level at the lowest low. And by that, I mean a notable move higher and a notable move lower over like the following 10-year period. So real far out there kind of deal. In 2020, there was a notable fake out or an intentional fake out, shakeout, something like that. Maybe possibly a scandal of some kind. There's some sort of deception at play here. 2021, we're bound by a range. It could be both the top and the bottom of a range. I'll determine that when we get into the Eso-Meta pattern recognition, hopefully. And then in 2022, there's a notable decline on the scale of a multi-year chart standing out, and it offers an opportunity to open up a long position. 2023, we have a fast sudden move higher standing out on a multi-year chart. 2024, bearish price swings with a sharp drop standing out on a multi-year chart. 2025, a period of volatility and a sharp drop within that period of volatility. Standing out on that 1-year scale. Behavior in 2026, we have a period of sideways rotation along a key support level that increases with bearish momentum as we move forward into the year. And then 2027, we have a successful move higher, successfully turning old resistance into new support. 2028, we have a decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher, again on the scale of a multi-year chart. And then 2029, we have a very big decline. That'll be the biggest decline maybe it could be about the same size as the Ace of Cups decline, but it doesn't specify that there's an opportunity to go long there, just to be clear. I'm advised to trade around a decline that from a resistance level down to and through support to another support. We bounce along that support sideways for a bit, and then we break down through multiple supports. That's the type of trade pattern I'm looking to trade around. And the following 10-year period, there's a peak that ends with a notable decline or notable sell-off off of a peak or crest, again standing out on a multi-year chart. So definitively bearish. We're going to get into the pattern recognition portion momentarily and see if we can identify those highs and lows and the best trade opportunities. For those of you watching on TikTok, check out our full prediction for HBAR on our YouTube channel, which is Tarot for Traders, but instead of the number 4 like TikTok, it's the word FOR, Tarot for Traders. It's all free, my friends. I'll see you there. All right, taking a look at the pattern recognition portion here. We have a high. We were basically within like a range. We created a range and we sat within a range here in 2021, and then this decline in 2022 offers an opportunity to open up a long position. 2023 looks like there's a trough early in the year, and then there's a fast sudden move higher to a high again in 2023. It is followed, however, by a sharp decline in bearish price swings, taking us to a low for the 10-year period. So I would get out of that. When there's a fast sudden move higher, I would exit.
And it looks like there's a lower price level in the following 10-year period, so not one that I'd want to stay in for very long. Just my 2 cents on that, guys. And that's HBAR for a 10-year period of 2020 through 2029. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you follow that rule of karma. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100,000. What matters is that you follow the rule of karma every single time. It's a matter of mentality. If you shut off that type of mentality, you shut off the flow of abundance to you. And with that, the profits that you could be making from this information. So please, fight the good fight. Follow the rule of karma every single time you make money and enjoy the profits. I'll see you on the next one.